Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the PyTest library for your Python in VS Code. So let's start. The first thing you need to do after opening your Visual Studio's code is head on to the terminal. Once you head on to the terminal, you need to type in the following command, which is pip install PyTest. That means we will be using the pip or the pip module to get this particular library. Once you have typed in the command, simply hit the enter key and wait for the initialization process to begin. And here you can see that it is collecting the packages, and once the collection of packages has been done, it will install them. Once the installation phase has been completed, you can see this message which says successfully installed PyTest version 8.3.5 along with other packages which includes pluggy and ini config. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.